Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Monday, April 1st, 2013. First day of the new month, and the markets are holding steady this morning, trading flat as we speak. If we take a look here at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, what you're going to notice is that they're right at the 1562.50 level, teeter-tottering between positive and negative by a quarter point. Can't make too much out of it. You can see here the markets did come off the lows around 6 o'clock in the morning, and they're holding steady for the most part, at least before the opening bell. Now, please take note, yesterday was the Easter holiday. The European markets are closed today, so all of the European major markets in Europe are closed today. So I don't think we're going to get a lot of volatility out of Europe this morning. Maybe some news coming out of there regarding Cyprus or something else, but overall, the European markets are closed today, so you're really alleviating that noise over there in the U.S. markets today. What we do have to go off of last night, though, is the Asian markets, and the big sell-off occurred in the Nikkei 225 index. That was down, I believe, over 2% last night, so pretty big decline in the Nikkei 225, which is Japan. I think a lot of traders have to watch for that. Japanese ADRs could be on the weaker side. Now, China was flat last night. The Shanghai index was just down 3 points, or 0.1%. The Hang Seng, however, did sell off by 0.75%. So it is possible to see a little bit of weakness in some of the Chinese ADRs, but I really wouldn't look for much there. The Japanese ADRs could be the weak link. Stocks like Toyota, Honda Motor Corp, some others could be on the weaker side today. But pretty good little decline in the Nikkei 225. Anytime you're down more than 2%, that is important and should be noted by most traders. The other thing I want to point out today is that there will be economic news released right around 10 o'clock in the morning. So I believe we have February construction spending data. Also, I think it's the US ISM manufacturing index will be released at 10 o'clock for the month of March. So you do have some economic data coming out at around 10 o'clock in the morning. I think at 9 a.m. also there is some economic data. I'm just not sure what it is. But I do think we have some economic data around 9 o'clock and also at 10 o'clock. So it's only 8:30 in the morning at the moment that this video is being shot. So just take it into consideration that there will be some economic data released a little bit later. But either way you slice it or dice it, anytime you have a holiday, or the day after a holiday is what we call a holiday hangover, the markets are somewhat flat. You're not going to get a whole lot of volatility, but you never know. Especially with the European markets, we don't expect all that much. Now let's take a look at gold and oil. First, we'll start off with gold. It looks like gold futures are trading higher by about $3 to $1,599 an ounce. So we're right at that 1,600 level. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good proxy for gold, you'll see it's trading at 154.61 an ounce right here, $154.61. The GLD itself, $154.47, was the closing price on Friday. So, it's basically where it was. It's not a big move by any stretch. I'm not sure we'll see a big move in it today, but I suppose we could. As for oil today, oil is down 55 cents to $96.65 a barrel. That's light sweet crude. That's what we use here in the United States. Let's take a look at the USO, and you can see the USO with a little bit of a decline. Nothing big. The USO closed at $34.75 on Friday. Today it's trading at $34.57. So not that big of a reversal or a move, at least at the moment. But you do see light sweet crude trading down about 50 cents today. So we'll just take it one day at a time. I don't think you really want to force anything. The volume overall today is going to probably be pretty light, barring any real geopolitical event that I could see. So we have to look for somewhat of a flat market, in my opinion. Tomorrow would probably be a little bit more important, as volume will come back into the marketplace. But right now, I just don't see anything all that dynamic out there. There's some stocks in the news. One is Metro PCS. This stock is catching a little bit of a bid. It looks like there's a letter going out to its shareholders saying that they should vote down the deal with T-Mobile or possible merger with T-Mobile. So anytime a deal is going to come off the table, the stock will get a bid. You're getting a little bit of a bounce there. eBay is another one that's catching a bid today as well. I don't think it's that great of a move. eBay should have a lot of resistance up here, maybe around 56, 56 and a quarter. It's just not a great gap trade. So we'll be working on a couple of gap trades this morning, see if we have those for the chat room. But right now, I'm just not. I think the market's a little bit on the quiet side, especially with the European markets closed today. So we'll take it one day at a time, and we'll see how this market shakes out and plays out. But I don't think anybody should force anything in this environment, and we just see how the market take what the market gives us. Right now, it looks like a quiet start to the day, but we do have that economic data being released in the next hour or so, and we'll see what it brings. With that said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. Good start to the new year, to the new month, I should say. And I will see you all on the charts a little bit later. Take care, everyone.